Daily Dose of Complete Health with your local chiropractor, Patrick Hogg. What is an adjustment? What is a chiropractor actually doing when he does an adjustment on someone's spine? An adjustment is really simple, or the concept is really simple. When a joint doesn't function properly and it's not moving properly, this can start to inhibit the way that the brain can start to send its signals to and from the spine. What we know is every joint has proprioception or sensors within it that will tell the brain where we're positioned in space. Now, the problem is everyday life, accidents, injuries, bumps, falls, inflammation from food, stress starts to cause changes in muscle and joint function. And as that joint function stops moving, the brain stops receiving its signal as easily. So chiropractors will find and detect where those areas in the spine are not moving properly, either using motion tests or alignment tests like posture and x-rays, or may even use stuff like muscle testing or other tests to be able to find where those joints might not be moving properly. And then simply put, we move the joint. Now, it's not as necessarily simple as that. It's quite a lot of complexity in understanding of how to move a joint, especially in the direction that that joint wants to move, because obviously a joint can move through multiple angles of movement. So chiropractors are trained to try and find specific ways of movement that we're inhibited in and how we can then start to correct that. And by and large, start reducing joint tension and pain, muscle pain, improve neurological function, improve posture, improve range of motion and movement, etc., etc., etc. So when we start looking at improving spinal health, our spine is involved with almost every function within the body. It's involved with our ability to stand upright, understanding our position, our balance, our coordination, but it's also the armor to our spinal cord, which is sending the signal to every single cell and organ within the body, including our muscle system, including our sensory system, and including our heart, our lungs, and every other organ in our digestive system, our kidneys, you name it, it all gets its signal from the brain. So it's super important to make sure that that spine is functioning properly, so all of those signals are running exactly how they should. Patrick here from Complete Health, just letting you know exactly what an adjustment actually is. Take care for now.